Well, it is all over at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. Paulo Kwana, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Sekhukhune United Iqanda. Mamelodi Sundowns take all the 3 points away from home in a game because last time we saw Mamelodi Sundowns calling the name Pito and saying they don't want Cardoso anymore. But Cardoso today proves to be the winner. This is my views, my expressions. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share, we are here and sekuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. Elamagama usiboniso Sizo wakomnikazi Sibongo, and I'm not by myself. Ngiphethe umsepho somfana nolwazi.
Sanibonani bafethu. I'm Sipho and we are doing a review of Sundowns versus Sekhukhune, victory for Sundowns away from home. A life-saving match, a life-saving result for Coach Cardoso, at least for now.
What do you mean at least for now? Yeah. The coach performed well, he won today. You had so much to say about him last game. You wanted him gone from Mamelodi Sundowns. Namhlanje?
This still is not convincing. This result, I see, I just watched his post-match interview here. He looks relieved. You can see even in his face and body shape that he is relieved. And he celebrates as if he's won a cup final, whereas it's just one result. And you can see he's not comfortable.
Comfortable?
No, I'm comfortable because I don't have a responsibility. He has a responsibility. He's heading a team that is supported by thousands of people in South Africa. And so he has a responsibility to play convincing football because he has all the qualities that he has. That he needs at Sundowns. But today's performance, it continues to be one of the performances that have been has become a culture under the tenure of this Portuguese guy.
He's Portuguese guy?
Yeah. Referring
to the coach?
Yeah, he's Portuguese, is he not? No, I'm trying. I'm asking you, is he not a Portuguese?
He is a Portuguese, but to call him this Portuguese guy. Okay, let's get back to the moment. Today we are celebrating as a Masandawana. It's a win, a victory away from home. It was a tough game. Orlando Pirates was here last week. They could not be able to get 2 goals. Mamelodi Sundowns managed to get 2 goals. Just take us through the game. We saw so many changes as far as the lineup is concerned, which proves to be something coming. Williams out, Allende out, like your key players not starting the game. Take us through all this.
Yeah, and this is the 3rd game of the year 2026, and this is a totally different lineup. Against OPT, he had a different lineup. Against Durman over the weekend, he had a different lineup, and today he has a different lineup. It's January, February now. As a football coach, you're supposed to be having your own soldiers now that you can trust going into the games. We are reaching a critical phase of the season, and by now you should know who is your soldier and who is not.
So you're not happy with today's lineup?
No, you can't be changing lineup as much as you have players, and unfortunately, as a football team, you cannot keep all players happy in terms of game time. Your role as a coach is to ensure that the product that is seen in the first 11 and the substitutes is as convincing as possible. Not to just put people in and around and then on the next match they are nowhere to be found. Not even on the starting 11. It goes to show, and you ask yourself, do you really give these guys time to review themselves, or you just put them in nomination? So really lento yakho ukushintsha ischeme kanje, I don't know, maybe indlela yakhe ukuthi adidisa abantu ukuthi kubonakala ngathi ufaka bonke abadlali or mhlambe istrategy sakhe esithini. But I've never seen something like this where a coach changes lineup like this without any major injuries. I think there's quite a few players who are injured at Sundowns at the moment, but he changes lineup as if he's changing underwears. Like no he changes lineup. So I don't know what's happening really.
Okay, I don't want us to complain for the sake of complaining. I just need you to be clear on the people that came in today. Is there anyone othwena awukho happy ngendlela performing ngayo oqalile kwi lineup yanamhlanje? Because if the lineup that came in gives you the results and you're putting in the others and the following game because you're trying to find your soldiers, as you're saying, and those give you results, then what's the problem?
The thing is, akayenzi loo nto uKadosi. He went against Obit and then he had a good game against a bottom team. And then when he went to Omdurman, he changed the lineup and he changes today. But we are done about into a lineup. Going into today's game, I think, okay, he had Lunga on the left and then he had Morena on the
So
right.
akekho umuntu ongekho happy ngaye kwi-lineup.
Yeah. Ama-players
Abadlali.
yeah, ama-players ayi-quality mfethu, but you can't change abantu nanominini nanominini as if you are coaching a team that is not ambitious.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, before we move, I just wanted us to be clear ukuthi yini okhala ngayo if the lineup that came in performed, then ufunani. But let us move forward. So how did you make of the game?
It was a boring game, to be honest. I'm not sure if people who are not supporting Sundowns were able to watch the entire 90 minutes of this game. It was totally boring game. A lot of mistakes, a lot of balls lost cheaply from the players like Abo Divine Lunga on the left hand side. He had a lot of balls that he has to exploit. So more especially going forward, because Iskupuna were not so offensive. Because they on the right hand side they had Ulanga as a right back and Mansimbi on the right as well. Mansimbi is normally a right back, but today they employed both of them. We starting 11, and I didn't understand what they were trying to do. And then when Ulanga got injured, instead of putting an offensive player like maybe Makhalwa, he puts in Chibaba there. Then Chibaba is usually a centre back, but he was now playing more of a half full back. Kukhona uKadoso no Brighton Ndlovu in the middle of the park, and then on the left they had Ule Club, and then here in the middle they had Mkhize no Monare with Upire up front, just behind the striker Sabo Hobla, whom I believe Upire didn't have a lot of good movements. Gulero lawe number 10 together with Uskesh Usmngob. They did not have they were not exploiting Sundowns. Noma if you lose amabhola at the back from Ulunga, maybe mhlambe nama turnovers amabhola mhlambe bephuma ku Johannes no Khulumani there, but they were not pressing Sundowns. It's like bebekade nje ukuthi nje yona ingabahlaseli. They didn't have a clear game plan ukuthi really they wanted to win the game. While on the other side Sundowns, instead of taking that advantage over ukuthi Sikhukhune asifuna ukudlala, they were more obsessed, more especially in the first 30 minutes. They were more obsessed with the long balls, trying to play a ball behind the center backs, trying to find Leon. In most cases, it's become offside. In most cases, I'll told Selbanga no keeper, until we went to halftime, and then we went to the second half.
Halftime ufunanga nokubona ukuthi athina ama-analyst uthi asifake ku-YouTube sibuka abantu abanamahlebe amakhulu.
No, but I understand your choice. I understood your choice. As I'm saying, this was a boring football match, and I'm not sure if anyone who doesn't support Sundowns really watch this game until the end. Really,
we go to the second half, still the same thing. There is no goal, but a little bit of changes here and there as far as the lineup is concerned. I mean, as the substitutions are concerned, but still no goal up until the 90th minute, and then added 6 minutes produces 2 goals.
Yeah, I think the 6 minutes proved to be a difference for Sundowns, which I think Unzanzega was deserved, because we shine impempe lo mchita namhlanje. Yo, every time ushaya impempe and abadlali besikhukhune bayalala bamosha isikhathi, keeper wabo abomonari and everyone until kwaze kwabe lo 6 minutes okugcina. But when we went to the second half, in fact, so we saw really no difference, but at least we saw Sundowns now rotating ibhola noma ibhola labo belingeyona ingozi. They still were trying to play those those true balls, true runners, who shows Rusty. There are few chances that I think that she got, that I believe an informed runners would have made better decisions in situations now. But because I told a game time together with Shalili, whom I don't know why these two guys are not getting game time, because these are top top players when it comes to goal conversions, but for some reason they are not there. And then I think the game in Sundowns only started to change when coach introduced ama fullbacks together with Nuno Santos, because Santos now besezama ukuthi aconnect amabhola.
But the substitution you guys were complaining about ukuthi uyaphi uMdawu uzokwenzani, uyaphi uModibe uzokwenzani.
No, I'm going there because uMdawu normally akayinikeza advantage eningi Sundowns when it comes to forward passes and ama cross and all that, but today he got an assist, so that also was just
credits to the coach.
It was just a gamble because he knows who Umdawu.
Yeah, it was credit to the coach. That was a technical substitution.
Not really. I think Umdawu did that because he was in a good position. Then he made that decision. Normally Umdawu is not a good player when it comes to forward passes. You know that. Yeah,
I don't know. You know what I know is that Orlando Pirates is not playing this midweek. So Sibabone a weekend. Why is Pirates not playing in closing?
Nah, ubuzo wrong face, unfortunately. I'm sorry. I asked that question last season. I never got an answer. Today.
Oh, you still don't have an answer.
I don't have an answer. Because last season it was the same situation, and in the season before it was the same situation. This season is even worse because ku Champions League baphume besadlala nje besahlungana lapha and they were knocked out, but abadlali mfethu, it's like ngathi nje they take football as a part-time thing for them. I don't know what's happening, but I'm not even interested to know. I'm not interested to know as well.
That's just about it for today. We managed to cover Mamelodi Sundowns naseKhukhune. Saphinda sakuthi thasi ngezinye futhi ezenzakalile namhlanje. This is my views, my expressions. Makuthi uyaqala ukujoyina, please do subscribe, share and tell others. We are here and sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. From mina mfana ngamnika ukhaphela ugcotha ijamba lamaqoqo uqobele hlangene ngithi we are out of here.
Asibonge bafisa, sibone on Friday CAF Champions League in Rwanda against Omdurman.